Today's lesson is lesson 95, using estimation to verify answers, okay? So basically this lesson is teaching you how to use an estimation to figure out if a calculation is reasonable, okay? And when we say reasonable, we mean it's an answer that could possibly be correct, okay? If it's unreasonable, then no, the answer is not close at all. It's not reasonable. That couldn't possibly be the correct answer, okay? And it's a skill that you could use to check your answers, because sometimes when I'm grading papers and I can see when an answer is unreasonable, and I'm thinking, oh my goodness, did they really take a look at this? Because if they just kind of estimated, they could see there's no possible way that this could be the answer, okay? So this is the skill that you're actually learning in this lesson, all right? Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the example one. You've already read over the new concept, so hopefully you have a good idea of what we're supposed to do here in example one. Okay, but it says Francine bought a bat for $32, a mitt for $49, and a pair of batting gloves for $13. She calculated that she would need $94 for all three items. Is her total reasonable? Okay, so all we're going to do is round those numbers, okay, to the nearest $10, and then we add them together and see if we're close to her answer of $94, okay? So we're going to start with the $32, and we're going to round that to 30, okay? And then we have $49, and that gets rounded to 50. And then we have $13, and of course that gets rounded to $10, okay? We add that together, we see that that easily equals $90, okay? About $90 is our estimated answer. And it says that she would need $94 for all three items. Is her total reasonable? $90 is very close to $94, so we know that that is a reasonable answer. Okay, let's go ahead and look at example 2 also. Cody counted 213 words on one page. After reading 5 pages, Cody estimated that he had read 1,050 words. Is Cody's estimate reasonable? Okay, so this is going to be a multiplication problem, right? Cody counted 213 words on one page, and he read 5 pages, okay? So 213, we're going to round to the nearest 100. Remember, it's a 3-digit number, so unless they specify, we know that we're going to round it to the closest 100, which would be 200, okay? He read 5 pages, so we're going to multiply that, 200 times 5, and we get 1,000, okay? His estimate was 1,050, so, or the question is that reasonable? And it is, okay? So there's only a 50-word difference there between our estimate and his, so his estimate would be considered reasonable. Okay, that was our lesson today. I don't think it's too difficult. I think probably the most difficult thing is to make the judgment whether or not something is reasonable. But you can pretty much tell when a number is close to another number, then it's going to be reasonable. If it's pretty far apart, it's not going to be reasonable. It'll be unreasonable, okay? All right, if there's any issues, any questions, you can message me in the comments, or you can send me an email. We can kind of walk through it together if you're having some problems with it. Or you can get in touch with Mrs. Miller too. She'll be happy to help you out with it as well. All right, pretty gloomy day today, but I think the sun's supposed to come out later. Today is Earth Day, so get out there, pick up some trash, I don't know, plant some flowers, do something outside, because it is it will be beautiful all the rest of the week. All right, I will talk to you guys next week. Have a great weekend. Miss you guys.